अफसोसनाक डेवलपमेंट है जी। आज अर्ली आवर्स में अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसने इसराइल ने इस पे हमारे ब्रदर मुल्क जो है ईरान पे हमला किया और ये एग्रेशन जो है ऑब्वियसली इंटरनेशनल लॉज और यूएन चार्टर के टोटली ख़िलाफ़ है। जो हम फ़लस्तीन और गज़ा में देख रहे हैं, तो दो चीज़ें अर्ज़ करूँगा जी। एक तो ये कि आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद द हाउस कि पाकिस्तान की तरफ से जो हमने इस डेवलपमेंट के बाद पाकिस्तान के बिहाफ पे मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फॉरेन अफेयर ने जो स्टेटमेंट इशू की है वो ज़रा मैं अर्ज़ कर देता हूँ, और हमारी आपस में डिस्कशन और कंसेंसस के साथ एक रेजोल्यूशन हम इसी सब्जेक्ट पे इस हाउस की तरफ से भी पास करवाना चाहते हैं। उसके लिए मैं अलहदा मूव करूँगा। मैं पहले जो मोफा ने किया है ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पाकिस्तान वो पढ़ देता हूँ ताकि इल्म में हो। पाकिस्तान strongly condemns unjustified and illegitimate aggression by Israel against the Islamic Republic of Iran. The Israeli military strikes violate the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the Islamic Republic of Iran and clearly contravenes the UN Charter and fundamental principles of international law. Iran has the right to self-defense under Article 51 of the UN Charter. Pakistan stands in resolute solidarity with the people of Iran and unequivocally denounces these blatant provocations which constitute a grave danger and serious threat to peace, security and stability of the entire region and beyond, with serious implications. The international community and the United Nations bear responsibility to uphold international law, stop the aggression immediately, and hold the aggressor accountable for its actions. So this statement was issued on behalf of Pakistan by Ministry of Foreign Affairs this morning in consultation with the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif Saab and relevant stakeholders. Aapki ijazat se, now on behalf of this House, we have been working with each other. Honorable Member Raja Saab ne ek draft पेश किया था और फिर एक अमेंडेड ड्राफ्ट थोड़ा सा कंसेंसस के सामने बनाया है, वो मैं पेश कर देता हूँ। लेकिन उससे पहले मैं ये आपकी इजाज़त से ये रूल्स ऑफ बिज़नेस जो है वो उसकी वेवर के लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ जी। रेजोल्यूशन मंगवाओ, उसको फाइल नहीं दी आपने, फाइल लेके हो यार। जनाब चेयरमैन, आई मोहम्मद इसाक डार हेयर बाय मूव अंडर रूल 263 of the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Senate 2012 that the requirement of rules 29, 30 and 133 of the said rules be dispensed with in order to move a resolution. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Those who are in favor of the motion may say aye. Those who against the motion may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is carried unanimously. Leader of the House, please move the resolution.
बहुत शुक्रिया जनाब चेयरमैन। Today in the early hours, Israel, in violation of the UN Charter and international law, has once again committed a war crime by attacking our neighbor and brotherly country, the Islamic Republic of Iran. Israel's attack is a blatant violation of the fundamental principles of the United Nations and all international norms. It has put peace and security in the region and beyond in grave danger. Over the years, Israel has been the source of countless deaths of Muslims around the world, particularly in occupied Palestine. The world and Muslim Ummah are witnessing slaughter of children and civilians in Gaza for the last 2 years on an unimaginable scale. The inaction of the Muslim world against this genocide is especially troubling as it has now led Israel to attack another sovereign Muslim state, Iran. This House jointly and unequivocally condemns Israel and its heinous crimes against Muslim Ummah, especially against brotherly nations of Palestine and Iran. This House stands resolute with our Iranian brothers and sisters and supports their right to defend themselves against this aggression. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
I now put the resolution before the House. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Those against the resolution may say no. I think the ayes have it, the resolution is passed unanimously. The House stands adjourned to meet again on Monday, the 16th June 2025 at 3 p.m.